Hello. In this lesson, we are going to be talking about a great linguist, author, and teacher named Ernst Wendland. And we'll look at his ideas of interrelated systems he calls frames of reference. For example, languages and cultures have their own vocabulary to describe concepts. We saw this in the assignment with bread in the last lesson. So the term bread has deep meaning if you look at what Wendland calls frames. So for example, the cultural or maybe situational frame, like a picture frame, shows that people viewed bread as their main source of food. So there's the term bread, and then deeper we see that it's their main source of food. The term breaking bread could be seen from a sociocultural frame of community life, coming together. There are many frames you can use to look at concepts. Wendland names some of these frames as sociocultural, where society and culture define what the term means, organizational, situational, textual, cognitive, analytical. How does your language organize concepts? That's something to think about as linguists. How does your language organize concepts? One might also describe frames, as Wendland talks about it, as an onion. Each layer is a new way to look at a concept. So as you're peeling back the layers, you learn deeper and deeper what a term might mean. Wendland writes, communicative Bible translation is at the same time a science, a technology, and an art. The longer I'm involved in the work of Bible translation, the more I'm convinced of the vital role that intuition, insight, and imagination play in this interlingual, cross-cultural communication process. So basically what he's saying is your translation is a creative work, unique to your language in every way. God is using your translation to speak your language to your people so that they would hear his creative and life-giving voice through you. Your words help define your situation, and your situation also helps determine what words you use. So in this assignment, you will see the Greek word to make, literally translated on the far left column, Then you'll see the idiomatic English translation of the word in the center column as it's found in the NASB. And then now I want you to take your turn to translate it on the right-hand column and notice if you use one word like the Greek or many words like the English due to the various contexts in which the word is found. So then at the bottom, the questions at the bottom ask you to notice your findings, to take notice of them. So open the assignment, fill in your translation, and get that back to me. Thanks.